morning, Views. This is our 2025 ZALYMPIX Judge Kit Overview. If you guys were here for last year's videos, we dedicated an individual video/review for each flower entry of last year's ZALYMPIX Flower Judge Kit. This year, they switched it up a little. Now, there are 15 finalists for a rosin competition, as well as 28 flower finalists for the flower competition. And for the next 30 days, as you're watching this video, we're gonna be dedicating a video a day to each one of these entries. We're gonna give ourselves the chance to experience each one of these entries for what they have to offer individually. We wanna sit with the high, we wanna see what the smoking experience is like between the taste, the flavor, the smoothness, the longevity, and everything else in between. And you know, obviously we want to respect each one of these finalists for what all the work they've put in to get to this point, and see what they have to offer. You know, hopefully we can find some new brands that we can enjoy to smoke on. There's definitely a couple of brands on here that I haven't really had a chance to smoke too much yet. Very excited to smoke the rosin kit this year, which is another big plus. But this is gonna be a very fun time, to say the least. Here, you guys can see all of the flower finalists. Again, there are 28 entries. If you guys see right here, every single one of these bags is individually labeled. And the way the competition works is it is completely blind. Meaning we know that there's 28 entries and there's 28 brands, but until the day of the event, we don't know which entry belongs to which brand. And we, as consumers, AKA customers, get to experience the flower for itself and let it speak to us on its own without having to get, you know, I guess influenced, if you will, by any certain name brand.
Yeah, we don't have no packaging. Like, there's no packaging to see. It's like it's actually judging by the flower.
Now, you guys may want to get involved with some judge kits yourself. If you're a rosin fan, flower fan, maybe you're a fan of both. I think there's still an opportunity for you guys to get your hands on your judge kits as well. Yeah. This time around, each judge kit comes with 2 VIP tickets, right? The experience itself, you know, I think it's very worth it. You know,
for sure, that's for sure. I'm excited for the rosin because, you know, that's something new for them. Yeah. And just I'm excited to see all the flavors, and even with the flower, just all the flavors and everything that we're gonna get. See, like you said, which ones we're gonna be able to like find out which strains we like and then actually pick them up there.
Yeah, and so on that note, speaking of rosin, these are some of the brands that are competing for the rosin finalists right here. We got 888, Alien Labs, you got Beyond Organics, Pistol Whip, LA Family Farms, Ember Valley, Frosty Hash, Rosin Tech Labs, and of course, there's more. And I also want to talk about how they want us to judge the rosin judge kit, right? They want to know nose, aka terps. How does it smell, right? From a scale of 1 through 5. How does it taste from a scale of 1 through 5? How smooth is it from a scale of 1 through 5? Is there anything unique about it? The purity in the mouth is probably one category. Honestly, I'm not even gonna have us rate, only because we're not qualified to rate purity in mouth of hash. So I'm not gonna rate a category that us personally are not gonna be able to really rate fair and effectively. Again, I'm representing the perspective of the customer, the consumer. And so we're gonna focus on the smell, the taste, the smoothness, the uniqueness. And I think I'll replace purity probably for high, in my opinion. Like, how stoned does that dab get me? You know what I mean? Now, here is the booklet to how we're gonna judge the flower. Write our notes on here and make sure we're getting our ranking in. But essentially what we're looking at is best looking, most potent, the gassiest flower, the most unique flower, the best terps and smell, the best tasting, and the best overall. And if you guys wanted some further context, this is the definition of smokability, right? You have the smoothness and the harshness, the flavor accuracy, the flavor purity, the flavor intensity, the mouth stain, the mouth coat, the longevity, aka the overall smoking experience. And that's exactly what we're here to determine, guys. The overall smoking experience for each one of these entries from our perspective, right? And we're gonna have fun with it. It really isn't that serious. If you have the kit as well, I'm curious to know what you think as we're smoking ours along as well.
So yeah, make sure y'all tuning in. Make sure you got the post notifications on. Make sure you're following us on Instagram. Got those post notifications on.
All the links will be in the description.
I'll see y'all in the next video.
I need my weed to smell good, but taste better. I need the nose to translate the straight flavor. And it also gotta pack a punch to it. Expand my lungs when the smoke starts to run through 'em. I need the weed that make me feel good when my mood is ruined. I'm pursuing all the best weed this world has to offer to us. All the best weed this world has to offer to us. All the best weed this world has to offer to us.